Are you tired of pesky mosquitoes ruining your time outdoors? Looking for safer, chemical-free solutions? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the best natural, holistic, and herbal ways to repel mosquitoes and prevent those irritating bites, naturally. Let's start with essential oils, one of the most powerful natural mosquito repellent solutions. Lemon eucalyptus oil is a top performer, scientifically proven and recommended by the CDC as a natural mosquito repellent. Lavender oil not only smells amazing, but also repels mosquitoes and soothes bites with its anti-inflammatory properties. Peppermint oil gives a refreshing, cooling sensation while keeping mosquitoes at bay, plus it's a natural insecticide. Neem oil mosquito repellent is widely used in Ayurvedic medicine and offers both prevention and healing effects. Here's a DIY mosquito repellent recipe you can make at home. 10 drops of lemon eucalyptus oil, 10 drops of lavender oil, 5 drops of peppermint oil and 2 tablespoons of witch hazel or carrier oil. Mix in a spray bottle, shake well, and you're set. This plant-based mosquito repellent is skin-friendly and safe for kids and pets. Looking to go a step further? Plant herbal mosquito repellent plants like Citronella, basil, lemongrass and lavender. They naturally deter mosquitoes and double as beautiful additions to your garden. Want a more holistic approach? A healthy body emits fewer scents that attract mosquitoes. Stay hydrated, eat garlic, and take natural dietary supplements like vitamin B1, believed to change your body's scent and repel insects naturally. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to natural mosquito protection. Try these alternative remedies and enjoy nature, bite-free. Like, share and subscribe for more health tips. This video is for educational purposes only and does not substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider before starting any new treatment or remedy. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com.